Many people think that holding on to every moment from the past, every happiness, every pain, every joy, every sorrow makes us stronger. But we often forget that clinging to everything isn't always wisdom. Real freedom sometimes comes only when we learn to let go. This story is like a mirror that reflects back an important truth about life. And when you hear the end of it, I want you to honestly ask yourself, am I really living in the present, or am I still stuck in the past? Once upon a time, there lived a little bird in a forest. It was sweet, beautiful, and full of life. But it had a very unusual habit. Every single day, whatever the bird saw, heard, or felt, whether good or bad, it would write those experiences on tiny stones. Then, it would carefully place the stones inside a small pouch and continue flying. To the bird, every memory mattered. Happy moments were precious, something to hold on to forever, because they might never come back again. Even painful experiences, it thought, carried lessons worth remembering, so the bird kept writing them all down. At first, this habit brought joy. Each day it filled its pouch with new stones. But slowly, the pouch grew heavier. Carrying it became harder, and flying was no longer as easy. Still, the bird believed those stones were treasures, its life story, its valuable lessons. But as the pouch grew heavier, the bird's wings grew weaker. It couldn't soar as high or as fast as before. One day, the bird met an old, wise owl. The owl looked at the pouch and asked, "Little bird, why are you carrying this burden?" The bird smiled and replied, "This pouch holds my entire life, every joy and sorrow, every lesson from the past." The owl frowned and said gently, "Then are you truly living in the present, or are you just flying under the weight of yesterday?" The little bird didn't understand. It flew away, but this time the flight felt heavier and more painful than ever. Weeks passed. The pouch became so full that it overflowed. The bird could hardly lift itself into the air. Its wings ached, its strength faded. Still, it refused to let go. One rainy day, while dragging the pouch across the ground, the bird slipped. The weight of the stones crushed its delicate body. It lay still, buried under the very memories it once thought would keep it alive. But in the end, those memories ended its life. When the rain stopped, some other birds flew over. But it was too late. The little bird was gone. Soon after, the owl arrived. Looking at the lifeless bird with sadness, he whispered, "Memories are meant to guide us, not to break us."